People come to the MBA expecting to develop a better career path, gain that promotion that they've been looking for, or to start their own venture as an entrepreneur.
It was just a very good experience to straight away, after I graduated from my MBA, I got a full-time job.
The curriculum is really well designed to align with current industry trends, which is obviously very important when we're relating a program like the MBA to the real world.
I think this course has really provided me with the fundamental frameworks and the concepts and theories which really underpin why I was doing what I was doing. I had some real aha moments when I was studying.
Adult learning is a little bit different to the norm. There needs to be a sense of fun and there needs to be a sense of choice. And the staff here at Torrens really get that.
The MBA that's offered at Torrens University is very practical, as opposed to often theoretical. So we give students the opportunity to work on real-life global problems, and then the opportunity to be creative and to bring their own experiences and their own emotions into the programs, and then to, at the end of it, to create possible solutions that could impact the global community.
We got involved with Torrens through the director of the MBA program there, and we engaged a student who was in his final year and was looking to gain experience within the industry to apply the knowledge and the skills that he'd learnt at Torrens University.
There's been a lot of collaboration that's gone on between our members and the students here at the university. So the students, particularly within the MBA cohort, have been utilising and using that as an example or as an opportunity to undertake study projects and present those back to our business owners.
I chose Torrens because Torrens is highly ranked among Australian universities.
Over 90% of the staff are either in industry or come from an industry background.
4 decades I've been working in the industry. Almost anywhere in the world is one of the reasons why I completely relate to our students who do have to work and balance that against their study workload.
Having come from the student body myself, I can relate to my students. I understand their challenges and struggles.
MBAs are for everyone, but everyone is different. So we try to cater for, firstly, the diversity of our students, the diversity of their backgrounds, but also the ability to study and when people are able to study.
Studying online worked really well for my lifestyle because I was studying 2 subjects per trimester in addition to working full-time.
There's people coming from everywhere in the world and they have different experiences, different backgrounds, so you can learn with everyone. The course definitely helped me in terms of networking because I arrived here in Australia without any friends or family.
Build your relationships now because you are going to go places. It starts here. It starts now.